2 weeks after a warehouse worker came forward only to RTV6 claiming she was exposed to tuberculosis at work, a second employee is now sharing his story. New at 11, that employee is calling for more transparency at the Walmart e-commerce fulfillment center in Plainfield. RTV6's Matthew McClellan joins us live from the facility with how the retail giant is handling the fallout in the aftermath of his reporting. Matt.
Good evening, Mark. Yeah, Walmart tonight giving us new insight into what the company is doing to make things right. It says the company is working closely with state and local health departments following the outlined procedures they are getting from officials. But this worker says what he wants is an apology.
I got my test results back last week and I am negative.
Good.
This man, asking not to be identified, is relieved knowing he is free of infection, but asking why he didn't know to get tested sooner.
We had somebody in the building for almost an entire year that was actively infected. And then 2 months prior, they were notified by the health department. At that point, they should have notified us.
At first, he thought only a handful of coworkers might be affected.
We did not know the scope of it until probably more people started talking after the first interview.
On July 12th, this woman told RTV6 she knows of at least a dozen coworkers flagged by local health departments.
I expect safety. Everybody expects to be safe at their work and to come in the same way that they go home.
We still don't know exactly how many people had contact with the active tuberculosis case.
But just thankful that somebody spoke up. Hoping that it would push our HR department or even higher ups to come forward and say, we made a mistake. We should have informed you.
After our initial report, Walmart is out with a new statement saying it held educational sessions at the facility for those affected, also giving workers information on free testing. But this worker says he wants to know this won't happen again.
I want to know if this comes up again, we're protected. That they will say, okay, guys, we have to get this under control. We want to keep you safe.
And our Matthew McClellan joining us live from the facility right now. And Matt, we want to know what local health departments are now saying about this now that we're coming back with this follow-up report.
So far, Mark, we have only heard from the Marion County Public Health Department, which led those educational sessions with employees who had contact with tuberculosis. The department confirms to RTV6 tonight that its infectious disease physician and public health nursing staff have been at this center numerous times, answering questions and concerns from workers. The health department also says Walmart is cooperating with the investigation.